Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an oxygen flow meter. First, identify your oxygen source and the flow meter itself. Before making any connections, always ensure that all components are clean and free from any dust or particles. You'll also want to gather any necessary tools, like a small wrench or thread sealant tape, to ensure a secure and leak-free setup. This preparation is key for safe operation. Next, let's prepare for the actual connection. Carefully check the flow meter's inlet and outlet ports to confirm they match your oxygen source and tubing. Make sure you have the correct adapter or connector type on hand. If your manufacturer recommends it, apply thread sealant tape, wrapping it clockwise around the male threads. This helps create a tight seal and prevents leaks, which is crucial for safety.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. And on another note, just like you want a smooth flow of oxygen, you want a fresh flow of air in your car. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to attach the flow meter. Securely connect the inlet side of the flow meter to your oxygen source. Begin by hand tightening the connection to ensure it's properly aligned. If needed, use a wrench for a final snug fit, but be careful not to over-tighten. Finally, connect your oxygen tubing to the flow meter's outlet port, ensuring that connection is also firm and secure. You're almost there. With everything connected, it's time to test and adjust. Slowly open the oxygen source valve to initiate the flow. Now, carefully check for any leaks. A simple way is to apply a soapy water solution to the connections. If you see bubbles, you have a leak. Once confirmed leak-free, adjust the flow rate to your prescribed setting using the flow meter's dial. Always ensure the correct flow for optimal use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.